Today, I will introduce 1 to 2 AI to you in detail. Solid wood cutting machine. It has a scanning area and left and right cutting areas. Maximum processing formation length, 3 meters. Width, 65 centimeters. Thickness, 10 centimeters. It can be processed left and right at the same time. Make nature-vide plates with edges are placed on the scanning platform. This is a 5-centimeter piece, untreated wool board. It has cracking, stuttering, and bark. The machine will automatically detect the availability area, avoid defects such as scarring. The scanning process takes only 1 second to complete. Import the parts that need to be processed. Set the processing quantity. The system will automatically typeset based on the scan results. Avoidance defect. Get the result of maximizing utilization and automatically generate processing paths. The whole process requires no human intervention. The cutting can start after the typesetting is over. Precise board drag to the unloading area for processing. Once the machine on the right starts cutting, the left side can be scanned and typeset at the same time. Every plate can be fully utilized. End of typesetting. The machine on the left starts to cut at the same time. The entire process requires very little human intervention. 1 to 2 AI cutting machine. Start processing on the left and right sides at the same time function. You can start the loading of the next wooden board. Preparing for the processing of the third sheet. No waiting time required. The processed bow and arrow will fall and sent out by the loose belt. All special shape spaces are cut at one time. Smooth cutting surface.